Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. Allow me introduce myself to you. My name is Ismawanto. I'm a college student for Master of Education in English Department in Indraprastha University. Now, I am interested to share to you about building speaking confidence, overcoming the fear of mistakes in English foreign language. This topic relates with the academic speaking for scientific purposes and the lecture Professor Dr. Masadi Said, MPD. This is the outline. The first, why is speaking English important? The second, why do many EFL learners feel afraid? And the third, manifestations of fear. And the fourth, reframing mistakes and confidence. And the fifth, fixed and growth mindset. And the sixth, your action plan from theory to practice. And the last is conclusion. The first, why is speaking English important? We know that English is being spoken language globally because English is spoken by native speaker and as a second language. So English is a tool for global communication. The second, proficiency in English can enhance job prospect in industry because we can communicate with the other, for example, with the client, friend, and the other using English. And the third, making travel more accessible and enjoyable. Of course, we can go anywhere and we can know about the meaning and the science because we can understand the destination, for example, so we can ask anything if we get difficulties about that. Next, being easy to access technology, information, and education. Here, English become search for knowledge. Yeah. And this is related with the personal development, I think. English can boost confidence and can increase communicative skill in our life. Next, why do many EFL learners feel afraid? This is the reason. We know our students get difficulties to speak English. So they get fear of being judged or ridiculed. The second, fear of making grammatical and pronunciation error. Because some of students, for example, do not have ability to understand about the grammatical and pronunciation, so they fear to speak English. The third is perfectionism. So here, for example, in speaking, want to speak well, but I think it is impossible. It is impossible. No one people in the world is a perfect. Yeah. And the fourth is negative past experience. So, for example, the student get experience in the last time. They speak English and someone, for example, mock him, and after that, the student do not speak English again. The third, manifestation of fear. Yeah, this is the characteristic. We can see, for example, the first is avoiding speaking. So the student only listen in the class, for example, the student only keep silent. For example, do not want to speak English in the class. The second, anxiety and mental block. So in their brain, they have mental block uh, to do not speak English and lack of participation, lack lack of participation in class or discussion. For example, here the student do not give, for example, opinion or give a comment, do not give a comment in the class because they only kept silent, for example, in the class. Next, let us to study from the expert, yeah, reframing the mistake and the confidence. The first, we can study from the Stefan Crescent. We have to know about the concept of effective filter. The effective filter here means that if the effective filter is active, it can become the mental barrier. So it can increase in high anxiety and low motivation if the affective filter is active. The second, we can discuss about uh, from the Carol Dweck relating about growth mindset theory. Yeah. Next, all right, we can discuss about the fixed and versus growth mindset. Fixed mindset, always think here. My ability is static. I am either good at it or I am not. So here, for example, uh, the mindset is do not give a progress for next time. Yeah, this is the characteristic. Yeah, fixed mindset always think about avoid challenge to avoid failure. Yeah, the second, see the mistake as a proof inability. See the mistake. So here the student, for example, do not uh, interpret the mistake is a learning. Yeah, but think about the inability and give up easily when faced with the obstacle. Yeah. Next, how about the grow mindset? Here, my ability can develop through effort and dedication. So here, the student have a motivation to increase, to develop about their ability by action himself. The characteristic, for example, embrace challenge as the opportunities. So it's okay. For example, this is the challenge for me, and I want to try to do about that. Yeah, and see the mistake as a valuable feedback for learning. This is good for us. I mean here that mistake as a key for us to reflect about our ability and persist in the face of setback. So we can do it as a learning, for example, yeah, as a in it become as a evaluation for our life, for example, for our competencies. Let us here to practice. Yeah, let us here to practice your action. The first, embrace mistake as a learning opportunity. So it's okay. You do the mistake. It's okay. But this is the key for us to do better for next time. Yeah. Focus on communication, not perfection. So communication need action. I mean, communication need something to speak here, something to be communicated. So for next time, if we do communicate, for example, we can often do communication. So it can be easy to do to get a perfection for next time. Next here, this is good. Regular practice in low risk environment. For example, you do in your home, in your home, for example, yeah. For example, in the face of mirror, you can try yourself and you speak with your friend. For example, is okay. This is you can do in regular practice in order you can be habitual to speak English. Self confession and positive affirmation. So in our thinking that, for example, if we get a mistake, we have to take that is it will be motivate for us to do better. Yeah. And set small and realistic goal. I mean here, let us to speak English. For example, you determine the goal. For example, here I want to speak 5 minutes every time, every day. 5 minutes every day, for example. Yeah, this is good for us to develop about our speaking English. So we can reach a goal for next time if we practice more. Ladies and gentlemen, this is about the question for us. We are ready to start speaking now. The journey begin with a single word. So if you want to speak English well, if you want to speak English well, so you have to try by a single language in practice. Use this tool, be kindly to yourself and start today. So don't wait until tomorrow and so on. So do it now for our life and our future. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the conclusion that fear is normal, but it can be overcome. So I think fear is normal because uh, people get difficulties in our speaking, for example, but this is normal for us. The second, let us to change about our mindset from fixed mindset to grow mindset and create our learning environment because it can give influence for our development in speaking English. And the last is practice and acceptance mistake are the key. So the most important for us is practice because from the practice we can know about our development for the future. Yeah, for our development for next time. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attention. Billahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Bye bye.